Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment score of plus 0.045 in climate discussions, which is higher than what we typically observe at this time of year. This uptick suggests a growing optimism amidst ongoing climate challenges. The momentum remains flat, but with 20 semantic clusters at play, you're looking at nuanced conversations that could reveal fresh perspectives. When you query our API, you get insights on sentiment shifts, their momentum, and detailed topic clusters, all of which can drive your decision-making. Imagine integrating this data into your climate impact modeling tools to predict shifts in public sentiment, allowing you to align your projects with emerging trends. Dive into this data yourself at pulsebitenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness the power of sentiment to shape a sustainable future.